How to fix Bluetooth audio cutting out on Windows PC. What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth audio cutting out or lagging on your PC. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and make sure that you have your Bluetooth connected and make sure you turn it on. Then from there, you might want to remove your Bluetooth device and reconnect it again. So for that, open up your start menu and go to settings. Once you open up settings menu, go to Bluetooth and devices. Find the device that's connected. So as you can see, this one is right here, the headphone. Tap on the three dots and then tap on remove device. And once it's removed, you can just click on add, click on Bluetooth, and it's going to scan for your device. Just select your device, and if it's online, it's going to be connected to your PC. Then doing that should fix your problem. But if you're still facing the issue, then you need to make sure that there is nothing in between your headset and your PC, like any kind of blockages. After that, you need to make sure that there are no other devices that are actively uh, hampering your Bluetooth connection. So for example, if I right click here and go to sound settings, I'm able to go ahead and click on more sound settings here. It will bring out the pop-up. As you can see here, the headphones drivers are also here. Just right click on it and disable all of the drivers that are not needed. Then just click on OK and you'll be good to go. Then you need to go over to system again, and from system, find troubleshoot. Now from here on other troubleshooter, make sure you run a troubleshooter for Bluetooth, and if it finds out any issues with your Bluetooth, it's going to fix itself. So just let the troubleshooter run by itself. The final step is to go to Device Manager and find your Bluetooth driver. Click on the drop down, and then from here, just right click on it and update the driver to its latest version. If it says the best driver is already installed, you're good to go. Restart your PC and you can try to connect your headphone. It should start working normally again. If this was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.